Hello, welcome to the Craig's Motel. My name's Conan, I'm the concierge. Kit number 5, available on Bandcamp today. Let's jump in. So I can't believe we're on kit number 5 already. I'm going to quickly go through the sounds and then I'm going to make a house beat and a boom bap beat. In the mid-90s, I bought up a load of library albums by KPM and DeWolf from a library in Colchester, Essex, which is where I'm from in the UK. There's about 600 albums, cost me about 300 quid. Now, not until the late 90s did the KPM and DeWolf Bruton library albums become popular. So that's why I picked them up so cheap, the amount of stuff that I found on those albums over the years. The reason why I'm telling you this is because some of the sounds on this particular kit are from those albums. And it was the first kit that I made, about 95, I think it was, on my SP1200. As usual, recorded it onto Ampex 456 tape. So it's got the character from the SP1200 and it's got the character from the tape as well. But some of those sounds are off the KPM albums and DeWolf albums. Some of the sounds are off other funk, jazz, disco records. Some are off hip hop and some are off house from that period as well. So as is always the case for my drum kits, a real mix of different sources for the sounds. Now, on all of my kits, I make an MPC project. I also provide just the WAVs as well if you don't have an MPC. In the MPC project, I have done a lot of the mixing work for you, just, basic stuff. I haven't gone into massive detail because obviously it would depend on what you're using, how you're using the drum kit. You might want to tweak it slightly, but the EQ and compression, etc. is done. I've done it all on channel strip. It's also loaded into my MPC template as well. So you've got all the buses separated, etc. as well, the levels, etc. So we'll go through the sounds. There's a bunch of kicks, bunch of hats, and a bunch of snares. Now, from the last couple of kits, I've had quite a few people say, could I get more hi-hats? It's really difficult to get good hi-hats. And consequently, this drum kit is actually quite hi-hat heavy. But like I said, there's a bunch of kicks, bunch of snares, bunch of hi-hats, and we'll run through them quickly now. So you can hear on some of the kicks, that one in particular, you can really hear the SP1200 ring sound. You can kind of hear that air as well that you get from recording onto tape. Going into the snares. So there's 7 snares on there and then a whole bunch of crunchy hi-hats. So quite a lot of stuff from drum machines and some stuff from disco records as well. Yeah, there's definitely some KPM stuff in there. The KPM stuff is more, I'd say, on the snares. And the kicks. Fairly certain that kicks off KPM. So what we'll do is we'll make a quick house beat and a quick boom bap beat, which will be up as the demo on the actual drum kits on Bandcamp. So we'll start with a house beat. Oh, I do like that kick. I'm going to go with this one, I think. Okay, let's just turn the metronome off. Yeah, I'm going to do 2 hi-hats there. Okay, let's go into a little bit of swing on. Let's go for 63, put it on everything. Just note 63 on the MPC one gives me that kind of swing that I want when I'm doing this kind of thing on house beats. I don't really like that. All right, so now we'll move on to a quick boom bap beat. I've got a loop in here just to make it a little bit more interesting than just making a boom bap beat. Thought I missed one there. Okay, let's just go back into the kicks again. Just wanted to add a little bit of a ghost kick in there. Let's just have a little bit of fun quickly. If we go into here, go into here, go into here, and go into dynamics and go into compressor vintage. Let's just make sure that's on the track, isn't it? Yeah. So there you have it, kit number 5, straightforward house beat, straightforward boom bap beat. They will be on there as the actual demo on Bandcamp. But don't forget, I've said it before, when you buy my kits, you don't actually get the sounds when you first buy them. There's a PDF file in the zip file. Double click on that, open that. In there's a link. Download the kit from that link. It's just the easiest way to do sample packs on Bandcamp, basically. So thanks for watching. This is the Quakes Motel. My name's Conan. I'm the concierge. Till next time. Concierge.